Hi guys, this is Shishir Sharma. Welcome to our channel Master Medium. In this video, we have conducted a mock IELTS exam. Watch the entire video to know what points are to be taken into consideration to score a 9 band. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your name
Nikita Patel.
and how may I address you?
Nikita is just fine.
Alright Nikita, can I see some identification proof?
Sure.
Thank you. Basically, where are you from?
Baroda, Gujarat.
Alright, and what do you do at present?
I am working with my elder sister in her established business. We are into providing services for home loans and car loans.
Alright. Let's start with part 1 of the speaking test. Here, I will ask you questions related to
No
shopping.
problem.
How often do you shop?
I shop at least once a month because I'm a shopaholic and shopping is a stress buster for me. So I indulge myself a lot in window shopping as well.
Alright. Do you compare prices when you shop?
Yes, I definitely do because now we have lot many options, a big platform, many brands. So many a times it so happens that I'm standing in the store and I open the application and compare the price immediately.
Alright. Are you good at bargaining?
Not really, but I do try and I'm able to bargain till an extent.
Alright. And is it difficult for you to make choices when you shop?
No, not difficult because I'm very clear in my head as to what I want or what I need. So I can quickly pick what is required and just finish.
Alright. Let's move on with part 2 of the speaking test. Here, I will give you a question card on which you will need to speak for 2 minutes. Before that, I will give you 1 minute to prepare. This is your question card.
Thank you.
You can start preparing now. Okay, Nikita, your time is up. You may start speaking now.
All right. So the volunteering activity that I had taken up was to volunteer and help my sister to take care of her son. That was my nephew for a week because she had to go out of town due to business. It was an exigency situation, and parenting for a week was a foreign subject for me. So I was very nervous, of course, and I did indulge myself into a lot of research. So I, of course, took the internet. I spoke to people around who are already parents. I took advices from them. And since I'm a very organized person, I like to do things as per plans. So I also made a to do list. And as and when the days were coming close by, my nervousness was increasing. And I was getting very scared as to whether I'll be able to do my activity nicely or not. So the day came by and I started my activity. Within 2 days, things fell in place and I was able to do it very well. I was able to create a bonding with him. Our relationship was created and it was strong. The volunteering activity made me realize that I'm good with kids.
Alright, you can stop now. This is the end of part 2 of the speaking test. Let's move on with part 3, wherein I will ask you questions related to volunteering. Why do you feel that volunteering is important?
I feel that volunteering is important because, like I mentioned, sorry, I wanted to mention when I was speaking that it helps the person to connect with oneself. It helps the person to know oneself better, teaches you life skills, and you are more in connect with the society and the societal issues. Therefore, you know what issues are big and what needs to be addressed.
Alright, and what kind of people generally volunteer?
There's no category of people that should or do volunteer. I believe that people who have a very generous heart and are benevolent should volunteer and do volunteer, and people should volunteer without any expectation in return because it is a very good deed that you're doing, and therefore you should not expect any kind of gain in return.
Alright, and do you think college students should be made to volunteer?
I don't think that volunteering should be made a mandatory act, because it is something that comes from within. Like I said, a generous person without any doubt will volunteer. So making it mandatory for the students or any age category of people will not help the person, since it has to be a generous act.
All right, Nikita. So this is the end of our speaking test. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
In this mock exam, the student was awarded with 9 bands. The student spoke fluently with rare repetition or self-correction. She could also develop the topic fully and appropriately. Her coherence and cohesive features were also appropriate. Her vocabulary range was flexible at the same time quite precise. She naturally did use the entire grammatical range. She had clear pronunciations which were easily understandable. Therefore, she qualifies for a 9-band score. Do like and subscribe to our channel, as we will be posting more videos that will help you in your IELTS preparation. If you're looking for online IELTS classes, then do contact us. The best part of our batches is that we teach a very limited students at a time. This gives a much needed one-on-one interaction between the teacher and the student.